Hi Oasis, I see you in Amazon, but are you the brand that customers click or the one they skip? Let's take a closer look for your product, which is the liquid laundry detergent. First, congrats on your Amazon's Choice badge. I know how tricky Amazon's policies can be, so achieving this is a job well done. I'm Kim, I'm a business development representative from my Amazon guy, and in this video, I'll be covering tips to improve your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. First, let's talk about traffic. What really drives traffic to your listings comes down to your keywords. Using our tool and looking at your distribution here, I could see you are organically banking for 1,000 keywords. However, you are not supporting that with any paid keywords, which means that you're likely leaving money on the table. This can be done profitably if you know what keywords to look out for, and there are actually thousands of additional keywords that you could be indexing here. We also recommend the golden ratio of 1 is to 2 here, which is 1 paid for every 2 organic to index more better. Going down, you will find your highest search keyword in your own category. Right now, we are looking at the biggest traffic opportunities for your product. For this keyword phrase, which is laundry detergent with the highest search volume of all at 700,000 searches, you are organically ranking here at 108. What this means is that customers have to scroll through over 108 listings plus sponsored ads before they can find your product. And this is limiting your exposure here because you're buried deep in the search results. The same goes for your other keyword phrases here. Now, for this other keyword phrase, which is washing detergent with 15,000 searches, you are not indexing here. What that means is that whenever a customer searches for this keyword phrase, you are not being seen here at all. And this is such a missed opportunity for you because imagine the increase in sales if 15,000 customers can find you using the keyword phrase right over here. Now, we can help you with your keywords here. We can help you push these rankings up, ideally into a single digit number, because that is where buyers click and that is where the sales happen. Now, let me show you how big your category is in Amazon. This is just in the top 50 listing for one keyword phrase, which is laundry detergent. And as you can see, there is a total revenue of $69 million per month, and sellers are averaging around $1.1 million per month. Now, looking at yours over here, I can see that you are not getting your fair share here. There's still plenty of market share that you could tap into, and we can help you grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click through rates. Let me show you the first page of the keyword phrase laundry detergent over here. Now, as you can see here, most are sponsored products or products that you are bidding keywords on. So that is what's mostly in the first page. Since you are organically ranking for this keyword phrase, you are again buried deep in the search results. This is why PPC helps. Now, we also reviewed one of your top competitors here. This is the Frey laundry detergent. And just a disclaimer, we are not comparing products here. I know that there are differences when it comes to price and positioning. What we're reviewing is their keyword strategy, and they are also a small business owner. So they sold over 800 units and have generated $31,000 in sales. The difference comes down to their visibility. And looking at their distribution here, you will find that they are indexing for a much higher amount of keywords. Now, looking at yours over here, you have a total keywords of 1,200 and they have a total keywords of 2,000. And they are supporting that with 900 paid keywords. This is the reason why they had a very good outcome in Amazon. As you can see, the more keywords that you use equals the more visibility that you have in Amazon, and ultimately, of course, more sales for your product. Now, moving on to your product detail page, the look of your page will strongly affect your conversion rate. Now, I can see that your title exceeds Amazon's new character limit, which is 75. Starting July 27, Amazon may start to shorten it automatically, which could affect your SEO, so you have to work on this. Your bullet points, don't forget to update them regularly as SEOs are not set and forget. Your image tag, you do have your 5 images. You could also add 6 images plus one video to improve your listing's visibility. Let's go down here below to your A plus content. Good job utilizing large eye-catching images here. Very beautiful images. And brand story, which is really beautiful as well. Let's see if you've utilized alt text. Okay, for your alt text, instead of adding numbers, you could also add misspellings or Spanish terms, as these techniques are proven to help boost your visibility as well in Amazon. Now, those are just a few tips that I can share with you for today. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to book a free consultation using the book a call button at the end of the video, and you'll get to speak with an Amazon expert. My Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. So, whether you are losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data back driven strategies that deliver real results for you.